Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to replace a PCV valve on a Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8. I have a 2014, a lot of them are the same for Sequoias as well. The 5.7 is kind of the same throughout the years, but anyway, let's get to it. All right, the first thing you want to do is pull this engine cover off. Really simple, just kind of pull it up right here, up, and it pops up, and then just pull forward, and it just comes right off. So just set that aside, no big deal. So the PCV valve is on the other end of this hose right here. When you're looking at the front of the motor, kind of go to the right here. The PCV valve is opposite this side of the hose, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is pull this hose right here off, just to get it out of the way really. So I'll put that over there. And what you can do, and what I did, there's this big foam piece here. It's kind of a pain in the butt to pull off. So what I would do is just kind of pull this top piece off right here, and then just go ahead and pull the bottom off too. Pull the bottom, disconnect the bottom. Let me do this real fast. Pull the bottom, there it is, pull the top and bottom, set that aside. Okay, now you can see the PCV valve right there. Well, yeah, see the little green right there? That's what it is. Here's the new one. So it's a 22 millimeter socket. All you want to do is put an extension on the 22 millimeter, get down in there, pull it out, and do the same with this one. I'll show you. Pretty simple setup here, 22 millimeter deep socket on an extension and a 1/2 inch socket here. And I'm just gonna go down here, and I'm on it right there, as you can see. Now that I'm on it, I've busted it loose. I'm just gonna turn it here with this and get it out of there. It literally takes no tension at all, so don't worry about that. Let me get this thing done. I've got that thing loose. I'm gonna go down here and grab it out of here. And there it is, just like that. So there's the old one, there's the new one. We do the same process, just repeat it. So there it is right there. I've kind of tightened it, but I'll just kind of show you. So here's my 22 deep with the extension, and don't do it very tight. It is plastic, so don't, just kind of turn a little bit to where it's tight right there. And once you have that in there, just get this hose on there, get it back on the bottom right there. There you are, and secure this top piece, and that's it. Be sure to put this guy back right here, and I've got my little foam piece I'll put back in there. But that's pretty much it. Wanted to make it a fast video. I know you guys are ready to get started. When you do this, be sure not to tighten too much because it is plastic going into metal, so it will snap. Also keep in mind, it's kind of small in that area, pretty tight in there, so be careful not to drop it. If you drop it, it's a pain in the butt. But that's all I got today, guys. We'll talk to you soon.